How to join friends on Among Us. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out how we can join friends on Among Us. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to join friends on Among Us, these are the steps you can follow. First of all, head over to Among Us, and from this homepage, you can go to the play option. You can select this option called online in order to join your friends and here is the section. So in order to join your friends Among Us room, you need to go to this private section and enter up a code. So you need to enter up the code provided by their game in order to enter the game. So how can you get the code? So the friend needs to send you a code. So for example, let me just go ahead and click on one of the game. You will be finding a code right here in this section. You can find your friend will also be having that kind of code if that is created by a friend. So all you need to do is ask for that friend the code, and after that is done, you should just copy and paste the code earlier in the section that we showed you. After that, just go ahead and enter it there, and when you do that, you will be entering the game and you can play with your friends. So that is how you join friends on Among Us following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.